everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can multiply one number or multiple numbers by an entire column or an entire table. So let's say I want to perform the multiplication of this entire column or an entire table by number 2. To do that, I will select number 2, Control C. I will then go and select the concerned columns or the table, and I will click with the right button of the mouse, select Paste Special, select Multiply, and click OK. Here you see that the value is 11.59, but once we click OK, the value has been increased. You can do the same task, but this time for different values. Let's say here the values which I want to get multiplied by this column B. So to do that, just click to select the entire column, click Control C. Select the concerned column or the target column or the target table. Click with the right button of the mouse, select Paste Special, and select Multiply. Click OK, and each line or each row should be multiplied by the corresponding value. Here by 2, here by 3, here by 4, by 5, etc. I hope this video tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, please press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.